Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel a sale on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, we have the search where you can go and search for anything that you of course want. And in the top right corner, we have your inbox, selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a sale on Shpock. So for collection deals, speak directly with the buyer to agree on canceling the deal. So you can go to the buyer, go into his chat, and here you will have all of your chats. If the buyer agrees, the seller can release the item, which will automatically cancel the original deal. For secure delivery deals, go to chat with your buyer, tap on help at the top right corner of the screen, and select cancel this deal. Choose the reason for cancellation, the buyer will refund and you can release the item. After sending the item, well, unfortunately, you cannot cancel the deal once the item has been sent. If you need to refund the buyer, you can also go to the chat with your buyer, tap help, and then cancel this deal to initiate the refund process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!